Hello everyone, and thanks for joining us for this quick road assessment of Highway 215 in San Bernardino. Today we'll take a full-scale observational assessment into the current condition of Highway 215 through San Bernardino. We'll examine all potential problems and uncover any likely issues that you may face as you travel on Highway 215. Without further delay, let's get started on the assessment. Highway 215 in San Bernardino shows signs of minor cracking and occasional divots, especially along high traffic areas between the 2nd Street exit and the Baseline Street exit. These small cracks tend to follow road joints and edges, and while they don't currently pose serious structural issues, they can collect water and debris, which can worsen over time. The divots and shallow depressions in the parts of the highway are scattered and tend to affect ride comfort for some drivers, particularly for smaller vehicles or motorcycles. Overall, these are cosmetic and surface-level defects, not major damage, but they're definitely something to watch out for as you travel on Highway 215. Also, there are many visible skid marks on Highway 215, particularly in areas where traffic is heavy, like approaching exits, interchanges, or congestion zones. These skid marks suggest abrupt stops or deceleration, which could point to traffic flow issues, driver reaction to sudden obstacles, or merging conflicts. While the highway surface elsewhere looks serviceable, the presence of these marks is a reminder that certain stretches on Highway 215 need hyper attention, better signage, smoother transitions, or more gradual lane merges, so that drivers have enough warning and avoid making sudden maneuvers that lead to skidding. Furthermore, some of the skid marks on Highway 215 are suggestive of rapid acceleration and tire burnouts, likely caused by reckless driving or street racing activity. These skid marks, often darker and more erratic than those from hard braking, indicate aggressive maneuvers where drivers spin their tires with excessive power, causing rubber to transfer onto the pavement. While not widespread, their presence raises concerns about driver behavior and safety, especially during late night or low traffic hours when such activity is more likely to occur. Stay vigilant during such times. Speaking of times, during rush hour times, traffic can get pretty congested around Interstate 10 and Highway 215 interchange and around Highway 210 interchange. Those sections handle high volumes of commuters, merging traffic, and on-off ramps in quick succession, all of which contribute to slowdowns and periodic backups. The bottlenecks, especially at merge points and near interchanges, may cause delays for some drivers as capacity is stretched and locals and through traffic compete for space. Additionally, there are patches of road grime and aesthetic blemishes along Highway 215 that mar its appearance. These include a buildup of dirt, oil residue, rubber marks, and liquids spilled onto the highway. Though these blemishes don't impair driver function, they detract somewhat from the visual cleanliness of Highway 215. Did you know Highway 215 is one of the few highways in California that runs both north-south and east-west, depending on where you are? In its southern section, it runs north-south, but as it curves through San Bernardino, it shifts direction, creating some confusion for some travelers. Additionally, Highway 215 is one of the rare interstates that was originally split into two separate highways, State Route 215 and Interstate 15 Business, before being fully unified under the Interstate 215 designation in the 1990s.
Please keep in mind to check the trip channel before you travel to your next destination. The trip channel will help you plan smarter, safer routes. By checking the trip channel regularly, you can avoid rough or blocked roads, adjust your timing, and prepare for any challenges ahead. A few minutes of planning can save hours of frustration and help keep you and your passengers safe on every trip. Also, the trip channel isn't just for planning. It's also a great way to reconnect with streets you know and love, whether it's the route you took to school, the road to your favorite diner, or that scenic stretch you once drove at sunset. The trip channel lets you see what's changed and what stayed the same. take a moment to reminisce and explore familiar paths from a fresh perspective. Sometimes the best trips are the ones down memory lane. And by the way, if there is a street that you want us to assess, please mention it in the comments section on this video. If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip Channel.